amazima mu nfa ya Kadama eyafudde n'omwana mu lubuto.
Okubye ku matu.
Condition ebadde mbi.
Kozi bakyogera batya mu luzungu nti okubye ku matu?
Until now I've get better.
You have get better.
Yes, I've get better.
This
time.
You have beaten it on ears.
I've get better. Today.
Oh, that is good.
Because I was feeling very badly.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, I was feeling very badly. The condition was very badly.
Yeah,
of course, Mr.
But now you are fine.
And I will be fine now. When God wishes.
Soko nweka juice. Soko
unweka juice kano.
Uta.
Unweka juice kano. Pola.
Kino nakyo tukimaliriza. Ate ka tulabe ekiddako.
Labe kinaddako. The second time. Ate tulake mukama wana batutaddewo. The second time atulabate ekiddako. When God wishes. When God wishes.
Stop.
Kigenda mu maliiso.
Jumidde mu kateeteeyi kaako. Akateeteeyi nako kakunyumidde.
Kanyumye. Kalabika bulungi. Sewo. Kalabisa bulungi. Sewo. Kalabye. Sewo. Kalabisa bulungi.
Kali sweeter.
Sewo.
Kale
sweeter.
Soko ute juice oyo.
Mulakuta juice.
Malate tutambulemu.
Kali sebo. Tutambulemu ko. Pola. Kali sebo.
Kakati tugende ku Instagram bannange gye basinga okwetegera n'okutabu challenges. Instagram tutandike ne Shiba Karungi sexy mama swag mama. Shiba Karungi I know 1.2 million followers. Oh my God, this is a huge following. We could have 2 million followers with 350 posts. Wow, that is a very achievement. Katika tugende wa mami Spicy Diana Spicy mami ate yaina meka. Bambi kakayingi roba kaina meka. 1.6 million followers. What? I think this is the most followed Ugandan artist. What the fuck? Let us see the posts. She has 2,024 posts. Oh my God! Oh my! Woo! I think you have the answer. I'm doing comparisons as you get the answers. I'm not showing any side. Njagala mwewe answer mwekana mweka. Tugenda ku YouTube eno yesinga amanyi okumuyimbi yesinga olaga amanyi g'omuyimbi. Hey! Now, mukimanya omuyimbi basobola omumanaginga oba n'atandika music we nga ali professional neera byokola YouTube channel. Kati katulabe zino YouTube channel bazikola ddi era bonna baba balina YouTube channel ani asinga subscription okusinzira ku bbanga lye bajoininga ani asinga waaka tetwagala mwa. Tutandike ne sexy mama Shiba Karungi yakola YouTube channel ye nga 6 September 2011. Okitegeera ate ye Spicy Diana yakola YouTube channel ye nga 2015. Not only 2011 or no 2015. The difference in numbers is 4 years. Kitegeeza Shiba Karungi yakola channel dada 4 years before Spicy Diana. Let us look at the subscription and the videos they have uploaded before. Subscription number 1. Let us start with Shiba Karungi sexy swag mama Queen Kama aina 498k subscribers on her YouTube channel. Wow. Subscription. Wow. Let us look at Spicy Diana. Spicy Diana has 430k subscribers on her YouTube channel. Wow, this is also amazing. I think usobola okulaba difference aho ku myaka eja channels zizi nebbiri mulabe ne subscribers be balina. Oli amusinga emyaka 4 ono yagatta naye olaba ka difference aho akaliwo ka almost like 40k subscribers. now bano ababiri njagala mbajjukize nti balina ku TikTok. Bali wano ku TikTok akawunti zaabwe wezirinya ate zikikubira ddala kati katulaba akawunti zaabwe zikola zitya wano ku TikTok. Let us start with Shiba Karungi Swag Mama. Now Shiba Karungi aina 237.2k followers. Oh my God. Mukwano nanga onkwesingira ate aina 1.3 million likes. Nanga onkwesingira Shiba Karungi. Anyways, that is a very